Welcome, class. Today our session title is Week 3, Session 11, Light, Energy, and Electron Levels. We will move slowly and make the chemistry understandable. Your goal is to connect energy absorption, emission, and electron transitions. Listen for these key terms: photon, energy level, emission, absorption, spectrum. First, keep the three chemistry levels together. Electrons and atoms can occupy specific energy levels. When an electron absorbs energy, it can move to a higher level. When it falls to a lower level, energy is emitted as light. When you feel stuck, ask, "What did I observe? What are the particles doing? And what symbol or calculation represents it?" The core model is this. Atomic spectra are evidence that electron energy is quantized. A line spectrum is like a barcode for an element, because only certain transitions are allowed. Do not rush to an answer. Build the model first, then let the model guide the calculation or explanation. Now let's work an example. Explaining a flame test color. When a metal ion in a flame emits a characteristic color, the flame has energized electrons in the ion. As those electrons return to lower energy levels, they emit photons. The color depends on the energy difference between levels. The color is not because the atom is burning like wood. It is caused by electron transitions. Notice how the answer comes from evidence and reasoning, not from guessing. Here is a second example. A continuous rainbow contains many wavelengths, while an atomic emission spectrum contains separated lines. The separated lines tell us that atoms do not release every possible energy value. Now answer this self-check. When an excited electron falls to a lower energy level, what can be emitted? A strong answer should include light. Hint: the energy difference can leave as a photon. Before you leave, practice actively. Task 1. Describe absorption and emission in opposite directions. Task 2. Explain why line spectra support quantized energy levels. Task 3. Sketch a three-level energy diagram with one upward and one downward transition. At the end of your study, write one sentence beginning, "The chemistry idea I must remember is." For more practice and exam preparation, visit www.bridgetoexam.com.